how to turn on chat disappearing messages on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on chat disappearing messages on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find this profile here. Click on it and scroll down until you find this one, disappearing messages, and click on it. And if you want to turn it on, just select anything you want here, like 24 hours or 7 days or anything you want. Click on it and go back. It will be saved. As you see, display messages have been turned on. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.